Hello everyone, it's ptdjournal. Today I'm filming a very requested video, which is a tutorial of how I make templates for digital journals. If you find this tutorial useful, please like this video and subscribe to see more. So today I'll be using 3 apps, and they are Keynotes, Pinterest, and Procreate, and obviously GoodNotes. Before starting, I just want to say that this is an easier way how to make your template. There are a lot of other ways how you can do that, but I hope you will still find it useful. So first thing that you need is to find a picture for your background. I personally use Pinterest for that, but if you want, you can use another app. And I just search marble background or marble wallpaper, but you can also go with wooden background or something like that. And as you can see, there are a bunch of beautiful pictures. I simply save the one I like and then go to Keynotes. Right now, you can see what I'm about to make, my base for the digital journal. To do this, you need to click on Add and insert a figure. Then you need to put it in a right size. But don't forget to style your corners. Personally, I prefer a little bit less roundy angles, so you see what I'm doing right now. Then you need to copy the figure. Next, you should go to Procreate and create a new canvas. I choose a screen size canvas so that it fits nicely in GoodNotes. Then you should paste the figure we've copied before. Leave it like this because right now we'll set up our background. For this, you just need to insert the picture from Pinterest. And you size it so it covers the white background. Once you are done with the background, you can move on to coloring the figure. There are 2 ways. You can just pick the color and drag it inside of the figure, or you can create a new layer, click clipping mask, and then go and then insert different colors. Personally, I prefer the second way. But anyways, now you can choose the color you like. I prefer black. We can move to the creation of our pages. So for that, we need to go back to Keynotes and make the size of the previous figure a little bit smaller and copy it. Then back to Procreate and paste it. And also you can use drawing guide symmetry mode to help you place objects in the middle of the canvas. It might be helpful. So right now, as you can see, I place the base for my pages and I recolor it in white. And now it's time to place the paper background. Personally, I like dotted paper, like in bullet journals, but if you want, you can choose the paper that you like. I don't know if you can see properly what I'm doing right now. The camera doesn't want to capture the screen like in the right way, but I've just pasted a dotted paper picture and I use clipping mask again. During this stage you need to be careful with placing the pages so it looks nice. I also cut the unnecessary parts, and then I duplicate the page and move it to the right. You can change the size of your journal base if you need to, and if you see that it doesn't look right. Then you should choose a brush in order to draw the line in the middle. Then if you want to, you can add some blur to this line to make it look more realistic. But I also add another line on top of it. And last thing, which is not really important, but you can do that, is to add shadow for your journal base. I just pick the background color, draw the line, and choose the multiply mode for that. And that's basically it.
Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but
now you need to save this in PNG format and go to GoodNotes.
seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert,
There you create a new notebook, and then you add the picture of your digital journal inside this notebook.
the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but
And voila. Every time you need new page, it adds automatically, so don't worry about that. So I hope this little tutorial was helpful for you, and don't forget to like this video and leave the comments, and thank you so much for the support. It really means a lot. Thank you so much.